In this video, I will show you how to conduct explosive fume simulation in Ventsim. I will be using this Ventsim model to demonstrate, and software version is 4.8. Other versions are operationally similar. For the model, on the left is the intake decline, on the right is the exhaust shaft, and in the middle are the mining levels. Assume a blast carries out at a development phase here. And I want to monitor the blast fume here in the middle drift. Firstly, I will put a dynamic monitor here in the middle drift. Click this, click on the middle drift. Then, at the development airway, click Edit, click on the airway. Click the Contaminant icon in the pop-up window. Click the status to be on. Select explosives. Assume the amount of explosives used is 600 kilograms. The dispersion factor is a factor scaled from 0 to 10, and the actual value needs to be calibrated according to the on-site measurement. I will use moderate slow in this example. Blasting generates various contaminants. I will use carbon monoxide as an example. Initially, the amount of CO generated by 1 kilogram of explosive can be set from Settings, Simulation, Explosive. The contaminant density is the density of gas under investigation. I will leave it as 1.2 for carbon monoxide. The contaminant yield ratio needs to be obtained according to actual data. Here I use 0.015, and it means 1 kilogram of explosive generates 0.015 kilogram of carbon monoxide. Close it. Click Apply, and then Dynamic Contaminant Simulation. Simulation stops every 1 hour. I will only run 3 hours in this example. So 2 hours, 3 hours. Continue simulation? No. Restore original model conditions? No. Click OK. Now, I want to know how CO concentration changes with time at the monitoring point here. Click the monitor. Click the monitor icon again from the pop-up window, and you will see the change of CO concentration in ppm with time. Click this icon, and you can paste the data into an Excel spreadsheet. I can see the actual CO concentration at each second after blasting. Contaminant of carbon monoxide is in the unit of part per million. Initially, the CO concentration is 0 because the fume have not reached to the monitor point. It reaches to a large value later. After reaching to a peak, decreases. If I know the TLV, TWA, the time-weighted average for CO is 25 ppm, I can see that after 767 seconds of blasting, the CO concentration is diluted below the safe entrance value. This is the tutorial for today. Thank you for watching.